Okay, as you remember, everything was taken all the way down to the studs, and we do have it sheetrocked all the way around. We demoed all of these walls. That little piece there, that looks pretty cool. We'll leave that. That looks cool. And remember that this was completely demoed out, so it looks nice. So getting ready to do some sanding today. They'll finish up with the mud. Seeing some of the joints, you have to mud that twice. So we'll be finishing up this week, and we'll move right on to the next room. We got the baseboards going in. Do have your power over there, you got power there, and you got power there. All right, just want to give you a little progress report on room number 3. Going nice and smooth. Nice and smooth.